Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the environment so installs behave predictably. Install Python 3, 8.3, 11 and enable the path option. Once done, create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv and activate it so package versions stay isolated. Next, open the project folder in VS Code and install the Python extension so the editor recognizes the interpreter. Make sure the bottom left interpreter selector points to Venv. This is how VS Code runs your Tensorflow commands and avoids global conflicts. You then install Tensorflow and the developer tools inside the activated virtual environment because installing globally leads to version drift. First upgrade pip, wheel, setup tools to avoid build errors, then pip install Tensorflow or Tensorflow CPU depending on GPU needs. After that, add Jupyter for notebooks, Pylint for linting, and the Python extension debugger so you can run and step through code. Once packages finish, reload VS Code and confirm the interpreter's package list contains Tensorflow to ensure runtime readiness. You now verify and iterate. Run a minimal script import Tensorflow as TF, print TF. Version to confirm the install. This proves the interpreter and package visibility. Use VS Code run and debug or open a Jupyter notebook, select the Venv kernel, then set breakpoints to inspect tensors and execution flow. If you hit errors, make sure GPU setups match Tensorflow's CUDA/CUDN requirements, otherwise recreate the Venv and reinstall. This usually fixes corrupted installs and mismatched binaries when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.